Right, Year 5. Welcome to this quick explainer. Let's just dive right into it. Today we're looking at decimal calculations, specifically column addition and subtraction. We're going to master this formal column method right here, right now. So get focused and let's get straight to it.
Now, before we actually solve anything, we have to establish the absolute golden rule when it comes to formal column methods with decimals. Ready? Your decimal points must line up perfectly. I mean it. Digits of the exact same value absolutely have to share the exact same column. And remember, whenever you begin your calculation, you always start from the smallest value column on the far right. For the problems we're looking at today, that's going to be your tenths column.
Okay, let's jump straight into our very first example. We're adding 12.4 and 5.8. So step 1, what do? We line up those decimal points. Step 2, we start all the way on the right over in the tenths column. 4 tenths plus 8 tenths gives us 12 tenths. But hold on, we obviously can't just shove a two-digit number like 12 into a single column, right? No way. So for step 3, we write down the 2 in the tenths column, and then we regroup 10 of those tenths into one whole, just carrying it safely right over to the ones column. From there, it's super easy. You just add up your ones and tens exactly like you normally would.
All right, now let's take a look at subtraction. We're calculating 9.3 minus 4.5. Are our decimal points lined up perfectly? Check. But as soon as we start at the tenths column, well, we hit a little bit of a snag. 3 tenths is definitely smaller than 5 tenths. You can't take 5 away from 3. So we have to exchange. We literally just look next door to the ones column, take one whole, and exchange it for 10 tenths. That instantly turns our 3 tenths into 13 tenths. Problem solved. Now, 13 minus 5 is 8, and you can safely just breeze through the rest of the calculation.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It all comes down to this. Perfectly line up your decimals, always start over at the tenths, and confidently regroup or exchange whenever you need to. That's the whole shebang. You've got all the tools you need now. So are you ready to tackle your own calculations and line up those decimal points? Go grab your pencil and show those decimals who's boss. You've totally got this.